Hi everybody, Jake with Warrington Visual Creations here. Typically we don't jump on and do videos, but I did want to share this week that we received 2 new backdrops from Denny Manufacturing. Denny has been our partner in the studio for creative shots for our clients. Their quality is unmatched. We typically get it in the Freedom Cloth, which these backdrops are, and they resist wrinkling. The colors just pop when you flash them with the photography. For our clients, they just look so real. And we would not trust our studio with anyone but Denny Manufacturing. And I want to unbox here. I want to show you guys what we got, and we'll see what Denny sent. Freedom Cloth. This is the beautiful Christmas window. We're going to be putting that up here, and I can show you that. And the other one we have is a beautiful blue 6-panel wall. And from a Denny product number standpoint, this is CP-8404, 10 by 10. Here it is, the white winter room. Man, that thing is gorgeous. Cannot wait to start capturing some great images on this backdrop for our clients. It's just going to be absolutely amazing. Beautiful addition to the studio. Thank you, Denny Manufacturing. Thanks for joining us to show you a couple of these new backdrops from Denny Manufacturing. We look forward to capturing some more awesome images with you. Thanks. Bye-bye.